Greetings to all my second class students. Hope you all are fine and completing your homeworks day by day. So yes, we'll talk about our previous class first. So we have started a new lesson, right? New unit, right? What it is? What is the name of the unit? Yes, it is a visit to uncle's house. Whose uncle's house? Yes, whose? Siddu's uncle's house, right? Yes, so here in this unit we have seen Siddu and his father going to their uncle's house, right? Where is his uncle's house? Yes, his uncle's house is in Hyderabad, right? Yes, so they are visiting their uncle's house, which is in Hyderabad. First, what they did here? Yes, who is Siddu actually? Siddu is a friend of Abhi and Meena, right? Yes, so Siddu told Abhi and Meena that he won't attend the class tomorrow's class. And then he went to, he wants to go to Hyderabad. Why? Because there's a function in his uncle's house. Yes or no? Yes, there's a function in his uncle's house. So he wants to attend it. So he wants to go to Hyderabad, right? Yes, so here what we have seen here, in the first picture, what happened first? Siddu was very happy, and then Siddu and his father went in a bullock cart, right? Yes or no? First they went in a bullock cart to the bus stand. We all go to bus stand, right? First, if we want to go to any other place, we will go to bus stand first, right? Yes, so here also the same way, Siddu and his father, went to bus stand in a bullock cart. We all know bullock cart, Bandi, right? Yes. Next, after there, what they did? They traveled in a bus, right? Yes. Suddenly, what happened? Sound. They got some sound. Why? Because the tire burst. Yes or no? See, the tire burst. If a tire bursts, what happens? Bus cannot run, right? Then the bus stopped here. Then Siddu was very upset. He was sad. Then what happened? They were searching for some other vehicles. They got a jeep, right? Jeep. This is jeep. 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 Here they got a jeep. But after getting inside of that jeep, what happened? Here it's a sound. Yeah, the jeep also doesn't start. Then they got down. Then what they did? Yes, they waited for another vehicle and they got a bus. At last, they got a bus and they went to Hyderabad, right? Yes, here we can see. What did he see in Hyderabad? There were tall buildings, right? There were tall buildings, busy shops, many buses, autos and everything, right? Yes. And the last, yes, he reached his uncle's house. And who welcomed them? Yes, uncle and auntie welcomed them, right? Yes. Uncle and auntie welcomed them, and then in a corner, what Siddu saw? Siddu saw puppies. Yes or no? Actually, he went to Hyderabad to bring a little puppy, Brownie's baby, right? Here, Brownie, it is a big dog, and then it has 4 puppies. So here, Siddu wants to bring one of the puppies to their house, right? Yes. Yes, he saw puppies and felt very happy, right? He wants to bring Snoopy to his house. So he brought Snoopy also, right? In next class. I mean, in our unit 4, we have already finished. Snoopy comes to school. Here, Snoopy follows Siddu, right? So here, Snoopy, from where did it come? It from Hyderabad, right? When Siddu went to Hyderabad, he brought Snoopy from there. Who kept the Snoopy name? Yes, Meena, right? Yes, Abhi, Meena and Siddu were talking about the names. So Meena said Snoopy. So they decided to name this dog Snoopy, right? Yes. So here we have finished our lesson. Coming to the question answer. See the question answers. How did Siddu and his father reach the bus stop? Here, see. Siddu and his father were going to bus stop, right? How did they reach? They traveled in a bullock cart, right? Yes, so they traveled in a bullock cart. Then second one, why did the bus suddenly stop suddenly here? Why it stopped? Because the tire burst, right? B-U-R-S-T, it is burst. Burst, not that. Don't spell it like that. It's burst. B-U-R-S-T, burst. Okay. When the tire burst, the bus suddenly stopped. Was Sidhu happy at his uncle's house? Why? Here, was he happy? Yes, he was very happy. Yes or no? Why? Because he saw Snoopy there. In the sense, he saw 4 puppies and Brownie, and he likes them so much. That's why he was very happy. What feelings did Sidhu have during his journey? What feelings did he have? He was happy. He was sad. He was relieved, right? He was nervous. He was tensed, right? Different kinds of emotions he has. Then, name some feelings that you have felt and why. Now tell me, name some feelings. Feelings in the sense, happy. Happy is a feeling, right? If someone brings you chocolates, you feel happy. It's a feeling, right? Then if someone, if someone beats you or if someone pinches you, what happens? You cry. Crying is also an emotion, right? It is also a feeling, right? If your mama tells you to bring, if your mama goes to Nizamabad or your papa goes to Nizamabad, but while going, they said you that they will bring chocolates and biscuits, but if they did not bring you, what happens? You feel very sad, right? It is also an emotion. It is also a feeling. Okay. Yes. Next, coming here. See this. Fill in each blank with the right answer from the bracket. See here, first one you see. Sidhu and his father reached the bus stand in dash. See here. They were going to the bus stand in what? Cart. Bullock cart. Edlabandi. Okay. Yes. So what you have to write here? Cart or an auto? Cart. Okay. Write cart. Tick like this and write in a cart. C-A-R-T. Cart. Okay. Sidhu and his father reached the bus stand in a cart. Okay. In a cart. A cart. Okay. Right. Cart. C-A-R-T. Cart. Right. Next one. The passengers were getting into the dash. Here the passengers were getting out of the bus. Right. Here bus. So here bus or van, in the sense bus. Tick bus. Right, bus. B-U-S, bus. What is the spelling of bus? B-U-S, bus. Okay. B-U-S, bus. Fine. Yes, next one. Sidhu was dashed to play with puppies. Sidhu was happy or sad? Happy, right? Right, happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Sidhu was happy to play with the puppies. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Sidhu was happy to play with puppies. Got my point? First one, Sidhu and his father reached the bus stand in a cart. Then the passengers were getting into the bus. Sidhu was happy to play with the puppies. Next one, next bit you see. Sidhu and his father are standing on the road. They see many vehicles on the road. Name them. One is done for you here. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes are there, right? One box is here. Yes or no? Here 8 boxes are there. One box is already given. One example is given. So here Sidhu and his father are standing. When the tire burst, what happened? Sidhu and his father were standing, right, on road. They can see many vehicles. If we stand on road, we can see many vehicles. Yes or no? Yes. So here we have boxes and we have to write the names of the vehicles. Right? One is done for us. What it is? It is a car. What it is? It is a car. Then next we can see different kinds of vehicles on the road. A car, and then more example, jeep. A jeep, right? Jeep spelling J-E-E-P, jeep. J-E-E-P, Jeep. Okay, the spelling of Jeep is J-E-E-P. Next. Auto. We'll write an auto. An auto. A-N-A-U-T-O. Auto. An auto. It is an auto. A Jeep, an auto. Okay. Next. A van. A van. Van spelling. What's the spelling of van? V-A-N. Van. Van. They are all vehicles, right? Yes. Van. V-A-N. Van. A Jeep, an auto, a van. Next what is lorry? We can say lorry, right? Yes. A L-O-R-R-Y. Lorry. L-O-R-R-Y. Lorry. Then, yes, a bus. So it's a bus, right? Yes. A bus. A bus. Okay. A bus. A bus. Next. Scooter. We can say scooter, right? A scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. Scooter. Next, here, this one. Motorcycle. We all know motorcycle, right? Bike. M-O-T-O-R. Motor. C-Y-C-L-E. Cycle. Motorcycle. Okay. Motorcycle. So these are all the vehicles which runs on the road. Now we have some more vehicles which runs on water. What are they? Ship, boat, yes or no? Yes, they are the vehicles runs on water. Now vehicles can yes, few vehicles can travel in the sky, right? Travel in the sky. What are they? They are aeroplane and helicopter, right? Yes. So we have different kinds of vehicles. Vehicles which runs on road, vehicles which runs on water, and which travels in the sky. So here we have seen the vehicles which runs on the road. Okay. See here, car. C-A-R, car. Jeep. J-E-E-P, Jeep. Next, auto. A-U-T-O, auto. Motorcycle. M-O-T-O-R, motor. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Motorcycle. Then V-A-N, van. Scooter here. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. Then bus. B-U-S, bus. Then L-O-R-R-Y, lorry. L-O-R-R-Y, lorry. So here we have seen about the vehicles, right? Yes. Next, D. Name the vehicles which Sidhu travelled by to reach his uncle's house. So here what you have to write? We have to write the names of the vehicles in which Sidhu travelled to reach his uncle's house. Where is his uncle's house? Hyderabad, right? So in which vehicles he travelled? Yes, he travelled on cart and then also bus, right? He travelled in jeep also, but it did not start. So we have to write bullock cart and bus. So here what you have to write? First one, bullock cart, B-U-L-L-O-C-K, bullock, C-O-C-A-R-T, cart, okay, bullock cart, or we can call it as cart or bullock cart, too, no problem, okay. Now, second one, it is bus, B-U-S, bus, bullock cart and bus, right, bullock cart and bus, B-U-L-L-O-C-K, bullock, C-A-R-T, cart, bullock cart, and B-U-S, bus. So here children, see this. Yes, see here. See here. Here we can see a car, a jeep, but an auto. Why there is an here? Here why there is a here? You know why? Because this a and an and the are articles. Okay, they are called as articles. You know vowels? A, E, A, E, I, O, U, R. They are vowels. Okay. So the words starts with this vowels have an. Here you see A. A is a vowel, right? A. So it is an. Okay. In front of this vowel words we use an. They are not vowels. C, J, M, S, B, L, V. They are not vowels, right? Only these 5 letters are vowels. We call them as vowels. VOWELS, vowels. So the words which starts with these vowels have an in front of them. Okay. Now you see elephant. We have elephant. E. Elephant. What it is? We have E. E is a vowel. Here we have E. So we get an elephant. Okay. Got my point? Then apple. A-P-P-L-E. A is a vowel. Here A is a vowel, right? So we get an. Okay. Ice cream. Ice cream. What will get? A ice cream or an ice cream? An ice cream. Why? Because I is a vowel. Okay. Okay. Yes. Umbrella. Umbrella. We have umbrella, right? U. Here U is a vowel. So we get an. Okay. Yes. So we use an. See, don't write this all. Okay. I'm just explaining. I'm just for the explanation part I am writing this. Okay. Yes. So here we have finished vehicles and also this bit D, B, C, D bits, right? So this next this bit we will start in the next class. Okay. Yes. Take care.